Okay, so here's the Mama Komodo glitch. You've all seen it. You've all done it before. It freezes here, won't move, acts weird. So, download the program PSX to PSP, and then it's capable of making both discs on one e-boot, which is great. Then you're just going to change the ID to SCUS 94640 on the main and the other ID here. Make sure you do SCUS and not SLUS. That'll make it probably not work. Hit convert and it'll do its thing. And you can see here gameplay of me playing the game right after the Komodo glitch using the 94640 code, and obviously the game works just fine this time. As you can see, the fish swimming around. Battle works just fine, no slowdowns or anything. Make sure to load it in popsloader 3.80. If you do it on one of the other ones, you'll still get the same glitch as before. But if you run it on the 3.80, the game runs just fine.